Alright, this is a pig pen of 10 rooms. Each room is 8 by 8 in dimension, and the whole building, the spaces there have wire to secure people from you can see it. This is it. It's a big pen of 10 rooms, 8 by 8 in dimension. Yeah. In addition to that, we have the gari factory, built according to NAFDAC specification. It has been built to roofing level. It's just to be roofed. These two buildings, the pig pen and the gari factory, they are constructed on a 3 plots of land. So the two buildings, apart from this structure, you can see the expanse of land ahead. They are still part of the land. This is an orange tree. So this is for sale. It's for sale. It is located at Ileogbo, 5 minutes drive from Iwo. If you are interested, you can just reach out to me. Thank you. I'm going to place my phone number on it for you to see. Thanks.